Hello guys, welcome to SA University. We are here to talking about how to create a HTML file in a Visual Studio Code. Then search VS Code, then open it, and now uh, here maximize it and press Ctrl N for new file and press Ctrl S. This is the version update. Press Ctrl S to save and in D drive I save as sa.html. Here dot is present as the extension of your file, and if I write dot html dot javascript dot py for python, now this become a javascript file or python. Now save. Look, this is the html file is created and your code can be written.